Ares Machia. Starting up. Activating Combat Operating System. Connecting to Meccani Link. Connection confirmed. Now initiating cranial connection. Link strength has reached Machia operation levels. Please switch shield energy supply to active mode. Ordering Strike Sword system. Please conduct link to Strike Sword. Conducting Ares Machia Attack Control System calibration. Please sever the practice target ahead with the Strike Sword. Attack Control System calibration complete. Link strength all green. Please be careful not to undo the Strike Sword link during defensive action. Ares Machia, commencing defensive action.
I'm protecting everyone!
Opening hatch. Detecting form reaction from within Altomachia.
I knew it! She's with that Meteora!
Classification changed. Now enemy.
Chloe! Alba's been arrested for treason, Chloe. Arrested for letting you escape. Do you even know what you're doing?
I told you not to follow me.
And I told you we're not done talking.
You're the ones who tried to hurt her first. You're the ones who decided we were your enemies!
What Meteora isn't our enemy? And why are you on their side?
Detecting growing thorn reaction. Risk of thorn wave present.
You want to be my enemy? Is this what you want? Can we not just go back to how things were? Is it because Coco's gone? Is that it?
Coco.
I still enjoyed our time together. Didn't you, Chloe? Even the boring days we had together, I enjoyed them all!
Growing thorn reaction. Risk of enemy thorn wave present.
Damn it! Damn it all! Where did we go wrong? What should we have done? Chloe, you're going around in the Meteora! The one that ate Coco! Why do this much for it?
You wouldn't understand. No. No one.
Damn it! I'm not giving up on you! I'll do this as much as it takes!
Enemy has cleared rail cannon system order. Please evacuate from line of fire.
Wait, who the hell cleared it?
Access unknown. Rail cannon fire incoming.
Please, just stop chasing me!
That's the Meteora that ate Coco. Why do this much for it? Is there no other other way?
Putting Ares into overdrive mode?
Ares, take back Chloe!
Activating overdrive mode. Executing Mechani Link over access on pilot.
Stumble on the wrong path? Someone's got to stop you and bring you back. If I think you're in the wrong, I'm gonna stop you with everything I've got. Even if I'm all alone, I'll do everything I can to take you back. I don't want us to lose anyone else. Come back to us, Chloe!
Overdrive mode limit reached.
Damn it!
Ares Machia shutting down.
Gah!
Yamato,
Chloe.
After the battle with Ares Machia a few days ago, Machia left the battlefield. It was found 34 kilometers to the west, inert. Further observation from the recon drone revealed the shadow of what looked like a massive humanoid meteora. Right after, the humanoid meteora absorbed Machia, transforming into an immense sphere. It then ascended far into the sky, far out of the recon drone's operating range. That's what happened after that fight 2 weeks ago.
So Chloe's really gone, huh?
Mm-hmm.
I was too late. Again. Everyone just goes off. Too far for me to reach. Something had to have been wrong, but I just couldn't figure out what. Moping around isn't gonna bring Chloe back. If there was some way to do it over.
That's just how it goes, kid. Nothing comes easy. Though, I wouldn't say there's no hope.
What?
Just talking to myself. But I'm really impressed you survived that fight as a natural. You're real tough. I think I'll help myself to an analysis of your resilience. Not dying. Now that's a handy trait. And it's not like no good's gonna come out of living.
Not every day I get cheered up by the professor.
Well, don't get used to it. Let me give you some good news. Chloe floated into the sky with the meteora, right? Well, she left the planet after. She's likely still moving through space. Alive.
Huh?
I created Chloe, and I can't just leave her to her own devices, can I? I've set her up so I can check her vitals and location whenever I want.
Wait, you mean...
She'll likely go here and there, but she might come back in a few hundred years. I could find a way to chase and capture her, if the mood struck me. And you saw the kinds of reactions Chloe and Anima cranked out. If I could, I'd love to get my hands on them again. Besides, it would be awfully boring just to give up on this branch. Though, I can't say I expected you and Noah to go quite that far. So, what'll it be? Feel like going after her? You want your friend back, right? You want to rescue Chloe?
Professor?
What?
When it was me and Chloe face to face back there, I told her she wasn't alone. That she was part of the team. But she up and left anyway. And Professor, I think she made her choice. Chloe's gone. But there's something I'm sure of. The things I said to her, even a little bit, I feel like they got through to her. Might have been a bit too assertive, though. Wonder where she'll go now.
Beats me. Speculation's pointless. We can only observe.
I wonder if she'll feel lonely, conflicted, sad. Maybe she'll need someone else.
Who can say?
If she's lonely, you think I could wait here? Till she comes back? Can it work out, Professor?
Sounds like you've got a whole lot of patience.
Yeah. I don't care how long it takes.
And we're talking a lot of time.
I don't care.
Neither of you might still be human at that point.
Doesn't matter.
Yeah? Well, whatever, kid. Do what you want. But you're gonna be my guinea pig. Oh, I'm getting my efforts worth out of you.
Sure thing. We're all kinda dumb. We couldn't share how we felt in the slightest, and we ended up really hurting each other. But when we meet again, I want to hear all about what you saw out there, what you felt. What do you say, Chloe?
How can we prove it all? Is it cool? Who can be told? The echoes inside my head, round and round. I can't behold. Separated life